Today I'm going to show you how to add a license or a certificate to your LinkedIn profile. So licenses and certificates showcase the type of capabilities you have. We're going to come down over here and you'll see experience, you'll see education, and then license and certificates. And here you can add in a license or certificate simply by clicking on this plus icon. Here you can add in the name, the issuing organization, the date, including the month and year, and then the expiration date, month and year, the credential ID, and then the credential URL. These are both optional. Okay, you'll see that only the asterisk will show that it's a required field. So if you don't have a credential ID or a credential URL, you don't have to add that in there. You can also add in the skills that are relevant to that certificate or that license. And then if you do have media, which is again an optional add in, you can go ahead and click on add media. When you're done, you're going to click on save.